This is a short guide on Zoom video conferencing. It will include classroom etiquette, features, and tips and tricks. Our classroom is a safe space where everyone should feel safe to share. Respect ideas and never share information from class, just like you would in the regular classroom. Let's start with classroom etiquette. When it comes to a Zoom conference, this is our virtual classroom. Appropriate classroom behavior is expected. Be sure to log into your meeting in a distraction-free and quiet environment. Don't rename yourself. Attendance needs to be taken, so no using silly names. Be sure to mute your audio as soon as you get into a conference. This helps eliminate background noise. In order to speak, you can press and hold the space bar, which will unmute you until you release the space bar. Make sure your video is turned on so we can see you. Be sure to be on time. Be prepared with your computer, pencil and paper, and arrive at least 5 minutes early. Now on to just a couple of the many features in Zoom. If your connection is unstable, stopping the video might help. If you'd like to add a comment and speak in the conference, simply raise your hand or use the raise hand feature, which you can find on the bottom center of your Zoom screen. You can also use chat to post questions and comments silently. The chat features can be found at the bottom center of the screen. Be aware video and chats are recorded. If it's not appropriate in class, it's not appropriate online. Finally, a few tips and tricks. Be sure to have pencil and paper handy to take notes or jot down thoughts or questions you might want to ask before the meeting is over. Using a headset with an external mic offers the best audio. Let others know you're finished speaking by saying, "That's all," "I'm done," or "Thank you." It helps to give a thumbs up if your question has been answered. Beware of lighting. If a light source is behind you, say a window or a light, it can make you appear in darkness and very difficult to see you or your expressions. If you follow just these few suggestions, Zoom conferences will be a terrific experience for everyone.